Hi, my name is Anika Christopher from the Virgin Islands, reporting at COP29 in Azerbaijan for the OECS. At COP29, several OECS member states, Antigua, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and St. Lucia, have received funding for climate and disaster resilience projects.
I'm Amit Proti, the Director General of the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. We are a coalition headquartered in New Delhi. We have 40 countries that are members as well as 7 international organizations. Our agenda is to support vulnerable nations, vulnerable countries to think about how do they build resilience of their infrastructure systems. We have a program for small island developing states called IRIS. We received about $40 million of funding from the government of India, Australia, United Kingdom and European Union. We're trying to use that funding to provide grants to small island developing states to essentially look at strengthening their water systems, health systems, education systems, transportation systems, etc. Yesterday, I had the opportunity and honor to announce winners for the second call, where we've announced winners who will receive $8 million of funding. These are about 18 countries, 12 projects.
The conversation on carbon markets continue. With carbon markets, countries who emit below their mandated levels are able to sell them to countries or companies who emit above their mandated levels. Carbon markets will help to create new investments in forest conservation and mangrove restoration. The Caribbean region has 12% of the world's mangrove forests, and this could help with biodiversity conservation in the region. Currently, the OECS is executing 2 major EU-funded projects geared at conserving biodiversity in the region. One, the Biospace Project, which is geared towards conserving biodiversity in coastal and marine environments. And 2, the ILM Project, which is geared towards conserving terrestrial biodiversity. I am Anika Christopher. Stay tuned to the OECS platforms as we continue with COP29 coverage.